If you'd like to work along with me with the same documents I'm using, I will place them out on the website, thefrugalcomputerguy.com. Go to the video tutorials and Office Writer here. You can click that, or down at the bottom here, clicking on that will take you to the LibreOffice-Writer video tutorial page. I will place them out here shortly. Now that I have my document all together, I want to print this out. To print this off quickly, I would go up to this printer button and press that button, which would send my entire document to my default printer at the click of a button. Right next to that button, we've got a thing called Page Preview. When I click that, it shows us what our page would look like if it went to the printer. And notice there are no margin lines showing up here. Now, although these words show up as possible errors, they will not show up on the printed form. We won't see the little lines there. Let's go over our print preview toolbar. We've got our next page and our previous page. So we can go to, and my whole document is 4 pages. So I can jump to the last page, jump to the first page. These two are 1 page at a time. This is saying let's view 2 pages at a time. Our next one, we can hit this down arrow and I can put all 4 pages across the top. I can make all 4 pages in a line. Or I can click on this button and type in how many. Let's say we want to put 2 across, 2 rows by 2 columns. And I can look at it this way. Now this next button says Book Preview. Book Preview is a little different. If you were writing a book, you would want the chapter to start on the right-hand side, because on the left-hand side you've got the binder of the book. And all your chapters you would start on the right-hand side. So you might have some blank pages in there. Clicking the Book Preview shows us starting on the right-hand side. Now, if I make this to show the whole document, we can see what it looks like. Now, down here, these buttons don't work in Print Preview. We're going to come back to them in a minute. But the zoom does work. We've gone over all these. The percentage, you can go from 0, is it 0? Let's try it. Nope, 20%. You can go 20 to 600. 600 is the biggest and 20 is the smallest. And to go to full page, that doesn't really help us out when we have the smallest. We'd probably want this at 100% and then look at the full page. But that makes the page screen width there instead of the window that I have it in right now. Again, to send your document to the printer and to close the print preview. Now we're back in our editable document, and I can click these down here now, which is saying page by page, and you're saying that, hey, I don't see any difference. Well, page side by side pages, if we shrink this down, as soon as there's enough room, it adds another page, and it'll go 3 or 4, yeah, if we make it small enough. And going down to 4 pages, if I click this last one, this would be our book preview. So that's what this third one is. So this is book preview, side by side, and single, one at a time here. And taking this back up to 100%.